Okay, everyone. Today I am going to go through what happens when you are done with dataset 1 and you are ready to move on to dataset 2. I'm going to show you the e-copy version simply because I'm on the computer and it's easier for me to work with the e-copy. So you'll have the paper copy. It's just slightly different format. So don't worry about that. But I do have the e-copy there for if you're at home sick or whatever, and you need the e-copy, that's right there. Compare it to your paper copy if you wish. So if I go to the e-copy, here's what I have the map of the uh, Etosha National Park, which you've seen. You worked with yesterday with the data set 1. You see that they want you to look at the data set 1 and data set 2, and they want you to basically map out where the lions were found. And this is to help expand on the idea of the different family relationships. And so you decide the colors and combinations of your animals. I just randomly picked a triangle because it was something I could easily come up here and pick the shape of. Why did I pick a triangle for 628? Because when I looked at data set 1 and then I flipped over here to data set 2, I see that that lion has never left the Refontine group. So I'm not going to need a line for it because it has always been in this group. So I picked a shape and left it there. 630, of course, is Lulu. So I know she's moving. I'm going to have to look at the data from data set 1. Right, she's Lulu. Yes, 630 is Lulu. So I'm using the dotted line. I know at some point she leaves this tribe and she goes pride, and goes to this pride. I might even want to use an arrow for that. So I can do the arrow, go from this tribe to that tribe. Pride. And then I want to make sure it's a dash line. Make sure I have it in the color I want it. And then I know that she's also going to go back maybe at some point. So I want to do that. Whatever happens, I'll do that and repeat for everybody else. Data, like I said, you're using both data set 1 that you picked up yesterday, and you're flipping to data set 2. You're looking at both where they started from, where they're ending up, but you also have to, like 630, it looks like she was born and she's currently there, but we also have to take into consideration what we saw in data set 1. When we are done with drawing on our map, we will answer those questions, and then we are ready to move on. So then there's a research form, this, which you will also get with data set 2. And this is using the internet, and we want you to use reliable sources, and it defines what a reliable source is if you need that reminder. Ask me in class if you're doing this in class, if you're not sure, and discuss. This is to deepen your understanding of the lions and different things. They want to make sure you understand various things. For the resource, give enough of the website that you could find it again. So don't make it super short. And you can split it up among you if you wish, if you're working on it in class, just so you can get all the information in. And then if you get that done today, you should move on to data set to the next lesson, which is more data sets, and they'll have the procedures on what you need to do there. And I don't really want to take up a lot of time on the video, so I will talk to you soon.